Asante sana masani ya masani ya mama. Asante sana. Thank you, Governor. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mheshimiwa, Your Excellency Governor Gladys Wanga. I think what was left by my colleague, former colleague, is after 10 years, what next? You'll be the president of Kenya. He didn't want to say that. And why not? So, I think I've finished for you. Your Excellency, Raila Odinga, our Prime Minister, Your Excellency, Vice President Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, Your Excellencies, governors sitting here, my former colleagues, members of parliament, we have traveled all that way before. It's a great day today that we are meeting here in Homabay to see the great work that Her Excellency Governor Gladys Wanga has done. I was sitting here and wondering, this is your second year as the governor of Homabay. What will you be doing in the next 8 years? Because it seems like you have finished everything in 2 years. However, let me say that Homabay people, you're really very, very lucky to have a governor like this, who is connecting international investors with your local selves and looking at the potential that you have here and looking at the resources that you have here and dealing with the issues that are actually affecting you. The poverty levels in this country will be addressed and addressed well by us all coming together and ensuring that we can use the resources that are available to us. You have all the resources here. Maybe I can say for you to get out of poverty, the only thing that you are lacking is strong, good leadership, like what is now being provided for by Her Excellency Gladys Wanga. I looked at the number of investors that she has brought here in Homabay, and I said, who else could bring such great investors in Homabay, including all the social activities that need to be carried out, healthcare, agriculture, looking at the things that we have here. So I do think all of us in this country need to know that without apportioning blame to anybody, we need to come together as leaders and ensure that we can use what God has given us, first and foremost, the people of this country, people of Homabay. We have the land, we have the lake here. We have the capital, which is being provided now through the devolved system of government. And we have technology. Therefore, we have it all. Now, the final one is this leadership. Let's put the leadership right. I know you want me to sit down, but before I sit down, Baba, umepangaje? Umetupangiaje? You know, I'm told to avoid the politics here, but I don't think I can avoid politics. And I think many of you will not ask. But I've been with Baba for all my years in politics. Kwa hivyo I can ask him, ni lazima atuelezee, na mtoto akitoka kwa mama yake, au baba akiacha watoto, lazima wapange. Kwa hivyo nataka kukuuliza Baba, tupange vizuri. You know, ulitupanga in 2002. You must pang us again so that we know how to take this country forward. Asante sana. God bless you. God bless Homabay. God bless us in Kenya. Asante sana. And the second term is obvious, and I'll be coming to support my colleague, and I supported you. You are wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you, Governor Ngilu. When I was still campaigning, before I even got the party ticket, you came here, and you later tweeted that Kenya, I introduced to you the governor, the next governor of Homabay, and it came to pass. Asante sana, Governor Ngilu. I'd like to invite the former Chair Emeritus of the